In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make round edges in TinkerCAD. First things first, I'm going to insert my sharp edge right here, or a sharp edge shape, which is going to be square. From there, I'm going to insert a whole cylinder, and I'm going to align it perfectly with my round edge. I also want to make sure that I make as much size as I want, and you then want to simply combine them together. After combining them both, you want to group them by highlighting both shapes, clicking on this button, which is going to be the union group, and you will make this specific shape right here, which will make us this round corner. From here, I'm just going to insert a whole shape once more, and what we want to do is to simply erase all of the sides and leave only one right here. From there, once again, you want to group them all together. Now we're left with this part. Of course, there's 4 sides in a square, so I'm going to make 4 copies right here, and basically you then want to transform this into a whole. Right after that, we basically want to do the same thing. I'm going to expand my shape right here. I'm going to change my shape once again, and right after editing the shape you can then place this 4 holes or edges into your corners right here. So you also want to make sure that you rotate them depending on your shape, and basically right after that you simply want to do the same thing, which is to combine them all together. From there, you will be able to have this round edge right here. Of course, you can do much better, but with the limited time that we have, this is the one that I've managed to make. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.